Hi my dear students, today we have to discuss new chapter matrices. First we know about the definition of matrices. Definition of matrix. Definition of matrix. The arrangement of numbers, horizontal rows and vertical columns is called the matrix. Horizontal rows. For example, matrix is denoted by uppercase letter. Matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 7, 4, 8, 10. Matrix is arrangement of horizontal rows and vertical columns is called matrix. Or matrix is arrangement of rectangular array. Okay. Next, order of matrix. Order of matrix. Order of matrix. If a matrix have m rows and n columns, suppose m rows and n columns. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then the order of matrix is m cross n. Then the order of matrix is m cross n. In this example, matrix A having two rows and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3 columns. Then the order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. First number is denoted by number of rows. Cross second number is denoted by number of columns. Then the order of matrix A is 2 cross 3. Another example, 7, some root 2, 4, 5. Here matrix B having the 1, 2 rows and 2 columns. Then the order of this matrix B is 2 cross 2. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Okay, we can write generally matrix A can be written as, suppose matrix A having the order m cross n, this can be written as A11, A12, A13, matrix m cross n having m rows and n columns up to A1n. Like that, second row A21, A22, A23 and so on, A2n. And so on, nth row an1, mth row am1, am2, am3 and so on, amn. Okay, this is general matrix of order m cross n. See here, A11 means the elements lying in the first row and first column. A12 means elements lying in first row and second column. A13 means elements lying in first row and third column. Like that, A1n element lying in the first row and nth column. Similarly, A21 second row first column, A22 second row second column. Like that, this is general matrix. This can be written as A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A1n. Next we have to see types of matrix. There are several types of matrix. Types of matrix. First one is row matrix. Types of matrix. First one is row matrix. For example, row matrix means, for example, the matrix A is equal to 2 minus 1, 4 is row. It is called row matrix. Another example, matrix B also called row matrix. Row matrix means a matrix which contains the only one row is called row matrix. For example, A, order of this matrix contains only one row, 3 columns. Order of this matrix is 1 cross 3. Another example, B having the only one row and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Order of this matrix is 1 cross 4. Therefore, row matrix means a matrix having only one row. It may be any number. It may be having any number of columns. Okay. This is called row matrix. Next, column matrix. Column matrix. A matrix having the only one column is called column matrix. It having the any number of rows. Okay. For example, matrix A is equal to root 2, 4, 7. This is column matrix of order 1, 2, 3 rows. Therefore, order is 3 cross 1. The matrix of order 3 cross 1. Why? Because it has 3 rows and 1 column. Okay. This is called column matrix. Another example. This is also column matrix. Why? Because matrix B having the only one column, 2 rows. Therefore, order is 2 cross 1. This is called column matrix. Okay. Next type of matrix is square matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix A is said to be square matrix. The matrix A is said to be square matrix if it is having the number of rows is equal to number of columns. For example, one matrix having 2 rows means it is also having the 2 columns. For example, a matrix A is said to be square matrix. Square matrix. If it having number of rows equal to the number of columns. Then this matrix is called square matrix. Example. Matrix A is equal to 1, 7, 8, 10. The order of this matrix is what? 2 cross 2. Why? Because the matrix A having the 2 rows and 2 columns. The order also can be written as 2. In the square matrix, you will write order is 2. Order of 2 cross 2 means order is 2. Another example. Matrix B 1, 7, 9, 10, 12, root 2, minus 1, 4, 5. Order is what? Order is 3 or 3 cross 3. Order is 3 or 3 cross 3. Square matrix means a matrix having the equals number of columns is equal to number of rows. Here 2 rows and 2 columns. In the matrix B 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay. In this square matrix, therefore number of elements of first matrix is what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second matrix is 9. In a square matrix, number of elements are complete squares. Here 4 elements, here 9 elements. Okay. Next, in this square matrix, these elements 1 and 10 is called the diagonal elements. In this square matrix, 1 and 10 is called the diagonal elements. In the square matrix B, what are diagonal elements? 1, 12, 5 are called diagonal elements or principal diagonal elements. Diagonal elements or principal diagonal elements. In this square matrix, 1 and 10 are called diagonal elements. Okay, here matrix B 1, 12, 5 are called diagonal elements. Other than diagonal elements, remaining elements are called non-diagonal elements. Okay. Next type of matrix is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means in A square matrix. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if non-diagonal elements are 0. Important, if non-diagonal. For example, a square matrix. Okay? Diagonal matrix should be a square matrix. A square matrix. We write 3 cross 3 matrix. Now here non-diagonal elements other than diagonal elements are 0. This is example for diagonal matrix. Here 1, 5, minus 7 are diagonal elements. Other than rest of all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Other than diagonal elements are 0. This is called diagonal matrix. Another example. Here also, what are diagonal elements? 1 and root 7 are diagonal elements. Remaining other are non-diagonal elements. Here non-diagonal elements are 0. That's why this is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means a square matrix. A square matrix. Diagonal matrix means a square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix if non-diagonal elements are non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0. This matrix is called diagonal matrix. Okay, next type of matrix, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix if all diagonal elements are same. Suppose a scalar matrix is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means if the non-diagonal elements are 0, and it should be scalar means if all diagonal elements are same. For example, 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. Another example, matrix B is equal to root 2 0 0 0 root 2 0 0 0 root 2. This is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix. Scalar matrix if diagonal elements are same. If diagonal elements are same. Diagonal elements are same. Diagonal elements are same. Here diagonal elements are same. 5 5 5. The second example, root 2 root 2 root 2. Diagonal elements are same. This is called scalar matrix. Next type of matrix, identity matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity matrix. Matrix or unit matrix. Unit matrix. Identity matrix. A square matrix is said to be identity matrix. All diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. For example, matrix A is identity matrix means identity matrix is denoted by the letter I, capital I, identity matrix. If 2 cross 2 matrix means identity 2 cross 2 matrix means denoted by I2 1 0 0 1. Diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Okay. Suppose we write 3 cross 3 identity matrix. Identity matrix 3 cross 3 means I3 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is called identity matrix. Identity matrix means a square matrix. A square matrix. Matrix said to be identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity matrix if diagonal elements are equal to diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. This is called identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity matrix means a square matrix is said to it must be square matrix and diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Okay. Next, last one. Next type of matrix, zero matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. The name also indicating zero matrix. A matrix is said to be zero matrix means all elements of matrix is equal to 0. For example, it may be any order 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Any order 0, 0, 0. First one is 2 cross 3 order, second one is 2 cross 2 order. Okay. Zero matrix means a matrix is said to be zero matrix if all elements of matrix is equal to 0. Okay. This is called zero matrix and null matrix. This is definition of matrix, order of matrix and also types of matrix. Okay. Next we have to see the equality of two matrices. Equality of two matrices. Equality of two matrices. Okay. Matrices means plural. Matrix means one single matrix. Matrices means plural. Equality of two matrix. Suppose let A and B are two matrix. Let A and B are two matrix. Matrix of same order. Equality is words when A and B are two matrix of same order. Then if A is equal to matrix A is equal to B, then corresponding element of matrix A is equal to the corresponding element of matrix A is equal to the matrix B. Then corresponding elements of two matrix equals. Suppose matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 and matrix B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22. Here consider 2 cross 2. Okay. Suppose if A is equal to B, two matrices are said to be equal, then corresponding elements are equal. That means first element of this matrix is equal to first element of this matrix. That means A11 is equal to B11, A12 is equal to B12, A21 is equal to B21, okay, A22 is equal to B2. Two matrices are said to be equal, then corresponding elements are equal. First element equals to first element. Okay, first row second column element equals to first row second column element. Okay na?